Hi guys, today we are going to be working more with negative exponents. We've talked a little bit about it so far in terms of the quotient rule, but today we are going to assign a rule to what to do with those negative exponents. So first of all, let's do a quick review and think about what we did before with our quotient rule. We had said before that we take the numerator exponent minus the denominator exponent, and we know that 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 1. But let's go ahead and expand out x to the third over x to the fourth to prove to ourselves how this works. So we have 3 x's up top, and then we have 4 x's in the denominator. We're going to cancel out 1 whole, 2, and then 3. We are left with just a single x in our denominator, and that invisible coefficient of 1 sitting up top. So we can say that x to the negative first that we are using, x to the negative first, is the same thing as 1 over x. It's the same thing. So let's go ahead and assign a rule that you guys are going to circle, star, highlight, whatever you need to do in your notebooks to make sure that this is written so large and just so apparent that you always remember it. Whenever we have a base value, a base value of a to the negative mth power, that is the same thing as 1 over a to the positive mth power. A to the negative m is the same thing as 1 over a to the nth power. Now let's do a quick example. Let's first look at 8 to the negative second power. We're going to do this exact same rule, even though this is a number, this is an integer, and before we've always worked with variables, but we're going to treat it exactly the same. Our base of 8, so we're going to put this in our denominator, and then we're going to flip our exponent from negative to positive. 1 over positive 8 to the second power, okay? Now we evaluate. 8 to the second is 64. Therefore, 8 to the negative second power is the same thing as 1 over 64. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's go this time with 3 to the negative fourth power. 3 to the negative fourth. Same thing. We're going to put a 1 in the numerator. Then we're going to put our base and then flip our exponent to a positive. 3 to the fourth power. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I don't know what 3 to the fourth power is off the top of my head. So I'm going to do myself a favor and write this out just so I can do this quickly. 3 times 3 is 9. The other set of 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9, we know, is 81. Therefore, we know that this is 3 to the negative fourth is the same thing as 1 over 81. Hopefully this all makes sense. Make sure you guys write down this negative exponent rule in your notebooks, and I will see you tomorrow.